So we're playing Rhyl Dragons tonight. It's a local team. They're in Tier 5. It's going to be a real sort of cup final feeling. You couldn't ask for more, could you? Sort of Friday night, sort of playing our first ever game competitively in the Welsh Cup. Perfect. The old club, Rhyl Football Club, had to be wound up due to the financial circumstances it was under, based on COVID and the challenges that brought to the club. The new club was then found on the back of that, a bit of a Phoenix club. There's lots of fans calling for, the football club in the town of Rhyl. This is our home, Belle Vue. It has to be, really, doesn't it? And we're starting at Tier 4 in the Welsh Pyramid, so we're going to be starting near enough at the bottom, albeit, but we're very confident. We've got great support and we've got a brilliant team, so hopefully we'll start that tonight.
So it's been a long journey, but a worthwhile one. But I will say, the volunteers that were here, the work they were doing, painting, tidying it up, getting the ground back into a decent standard, and I've got to take my hat off to them, and it's all right us, we've got the easy bit of going out kicking a bag of wind round, but they've put all the effort in, and I think we've got to be realistic that without them we wouldn't be here.
It was the fans that wanted the club reforming, so based on that we'll start filling this place, especially if we get a winning team behind us. Well, we know we've sold about 150 to 200 tickets, so if we can get 200 in here is a great start, then who knows where we can go.
By having the additional games in the cup at home can only be good for the club to bring some revenue in, and as you say, I think everyone's waiting to go and raring to go and want to watch a live game because we've all been stuck in the house. We're not just doing it for one season, we're looking to build on it, and we want to get the nucleus of the young lads we've got here, we want to take them through on the journey, and we've identified young players that we think we can. So we want to do things the right way. I think tonight, you'd be surprised, there's a bit of quality in this side for us. We'll look to play, and I'm expecting us, we'll work hard, we're fit, and we'll get round the pitch.